In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix your mic picking up all the sounds from your PC. First, click the Windows Start button and search for Settings. Launch it. Now navigate to the Options system. Scroll down. Make sure that your correct microphone is selected under the Input section. Next, scroll down and click on More Sound Settings. This will open a new window. Go to Recording tab and look for Stereo Mix. If it's enabled, right-click on it and select Disable. Now close the window and open the apps you are using like Discord or Roblox, any other voice chat program. Go to the settings and ensure that the correct microphone is selected there too. If your mic is picking up sound from your speakers, that could be the issue. Next, go back to your sound settings. Now scroll down, head over to the option More Sound Settings. Find your microphone, right-click on it and click Properties. Go to the Levels tab and try decreasing the microphone boost. This will reduce the sensitivity and stop it from picking up unnecessary sound. Click Apply and OK to save your changes. If your mic has any additional drivers or if your motherboard uses audio drivers, you can open them up and enable noise suppression or echo cancellation. For example, if you are using Realtek, you can select your mic and activate those features. Finally, you can also try using headphones to prevent the sound from your speakers from being picked up by the mic. Follow these steps and you should be able to fix your mic picking up all PC sounds. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.